Hi, I'm Caroline,
And I'm Ashley.
and
We're
I
doing
don't want
the-
to do this.
We're doing the mud challenge.
No!
Okay,
Um,
so hope y'all love us for this.
It was a request, so we're
Yes.
like, we'll do this for you guys.
It was very hard to make mud
In Texas heat,
So
with no rain for like 16 billion years. I don't want to do this, guys.
okay, who's your flip flops?
Haven't even got in.
Okay,
Oh, we don't have a timer.
it's okay. We can just
Okay.
ready.
No.
Yeah.
No. Ew. I'm already done. It's so gross.
Here, stand right over here.
No. That's a rock and a stick. Oh, y'all see this? This hurts. Hold on, let me like. I'm gonna bring y'all closer. Like right here.
Angle it down. Wait,
Too much?
yeah, move it over there.
Sorry, y'all going on a roller coaster ride.
Wait, no, right there. Good. Okay. Come back and join. Now we gotta start over. Okay, so I'm the one that actually likes mud.
I don't. It's in between my toes.
As you can see, parts of this is like very deep,
It's ankle deep. It's up to my ankles where I'm standing right now.
and then there's other parts that aren't very deep.
It's because it's Texas summer.
I had to dig.
We had to dig and use like 16 million gallons of water. Is this over yet? Oh my gosh, has it been 3
No.
minutes? I don't like this.
Silas.
No. Stay.
Silas is my dog.
He's not allowed. No. No. No, go away. No. No.
Look.
If he jumps on me, I swear to God. Ew. That was more than ankle deep. And there was a rock. We obviously didn't think twice, so we just like did it. We did not clear out most sticks and rocks, and that I'm regretting. I've stepped on like 7 rocks since we started this. I'm stuck. Y'all think I'm kidding? I am stuck. Look at this. I am stuck.
She's not enjoying it.
I don't like this. How long?
We're at 2 minutes.
Look at my feet. We have the water hose on standby because I'm going to be spraying all this stuff away.
There.
No!
Oh my gosh, this one's really deep.
Yeah, I know. That's where I got stuck at.
Oh man.
Whoa. I don't like this. I have to go swimming in these shorts. Oh no.
Silas, leave alpaca alone. I do not actually have an alpaca.
Yes,
It's
we
my
do.
sister's cat.
We have an actual alpaca here in Texas, you know. Whoa. Oh my god.
Silas, come here. I
No.
want to see if I can get him to get in the line.
No.
Come here.
No, don't get stuck. Okay, yeah, get stuck. No, sorry. He's like, what?
But yeah, okay guys, so this was the mud challenge.
And y'all should like and subscribe because I did this in
She
Texas.
hates mud.
I hate mud
Hates it.
with a passion. Like, not just a little bit either. Like, a lot.
We'll do this again if we
No,
get
we
30
won't.
subscribers.
No, we won't. Make it 100 subscribers and we'll do this again.
No.
Down.
For 100 subscribers, I'll throw this at her.
Oh, no, you will not! Put that down right now. We don't have 100 subscribers. Put it down.
Alright. Bye guys.
Bye. I didn't like this.